Look at this drawing that is of some olives on a plate. But if you realize it's seen from above, totally from above, not seen in plant, it would be set in architecture. But well, you can see the drawing from above, and then we enter with a circle. If you realize, I did it freehand. I put a point in the center, 4 points that would give me more or less the proportion I threw to make a circle. So it can be, and we do another here. Second circle. Right now you'll see what it's for. Can it be done with this compass? Right. Also, if you like, and we will enter to draw what olives are not. Olives, and the second circle more. Little at the center it is oil. They are not olives that are like dipped in oil. Is it an excuse? It's a good excuse for drawing. See how? Am I drawing the olive leaves? It is not a little piece. A little piece of an olive branch with a few olives, no, and brings its leaves. This plate is on top of a white napkin, and at the same time that napkin, well, maybe it is in a tablecloth color. Well, it is like sienna. No. So well. We are working. Have you seen? How did I do the drawing? Here I'm going to propose the part that we are going to work of the illustration is not going to fill the whole page. Did you see how I am delimiting it, right? So, well, it's going well. I touch a little what is the color of the tablecloth below, so as not to go back to draw to that extreme and not to stain, but also so that I get an idea, and it gives me an idea of the shades of the colors. Since that background color is going to wrap everything, then on purpose, I also put it. If you realize, I am working with glazes. This pencil crayon color. What does it mean? Glazes, well, I put one color, and then I put another on top. Color, and on top I put another color. I try not to saturate the paper, so that still has pores. To continue working, not to. That I still accept not to saturate it, so that still accept color on top. So there we go for the other leaves. We are entering with light colors. We are leaving lights. Here we enter the branch, to the part of the branch, and well, let's light everything up, coloring everything. See how I'm leaving lights, and we are going to enter. Also the olives are ready. I am using Prismacolor color Premier that come out quite good. No, notice, the plate is very light, right? But I am indeed putting a color, but it is a very flat. Well, very clear, right? Well, let's start playing with this color of the olives, not olives. In fact, here in this brand there is a color. Olive, excuse me. Olive color. We're not going to put the perimeter darker. And we enter with lighter colors. 2 or 3 greens that we're going to layer. And you are going to feel your color. No, you're going to feel your shades. And the saturation too. No, you decide where it looks good for you. Drawing, not the color of wax. I think you can hear a kitten that already wants to eat. We'll give it to him. And well, here we. Qualities to the color. We're going to put a profile of the plate that. Bring a green color profile, and then it has a gold one that is hardly noticeable. Note, this is the profile. We're going to finish drawing what would be the background or the tablecloth. If you notice, I am doing it different. That means that I am using the pencil, moving through different positions. No or directions. We're going to put olive, and we're going to layer it. The green of the olive, and we go back to take olive, the word olive, let's to make the napkin on which the plate is there, and we proceed to put the shadow. So basically this was today's exercise of colored pencil. If you like the exercise, leave me a like, a comment. Save it, share it, and tell me if you want me to. Let's keep doing exercises with colored pencils. A greeting. Artist by